your hand to come down? We were happy with this product, but my sister got married to him. We are happy with their products also. Very happy with Ahil and Ayat.
महेश सर और सलमान सर इनके साथ खड़ा होना मतलब दिस वाज अ ड्रीम मतलब
तो बैठ
नोबडी
जाओ. तो मैंने उनको बोला कि इसका बैकग्राउंड को मेरे को ऐसा, सर आप फिक्र मत करो, थिएटर की कुर्सियां हिलेंगी. So I was waiting for the कुर्सी to हिलो. हाँ तो जाओगे भी तो घर ही जाओगे.
The special BGM for Salman Khan, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for coming on stage. How are you doing, sir?
Thank you.
And he's looking
doing
like
well.
a carbon copy, sir, of you. And I have to say,
No, no, no. He's not looking like a carbon copy of me. He's looking like a much better version of what he looked in Love Yatri.
how has it been, sir? It's been a tough
जब
time.
खुद की पिक्चर है ना तो कुछ भी बोल सकते हो. दूसरों की पिक्चर के बारे में नहीं, हम हमारी पिक्चर के बारे में बोलेंगे.
लेकिन 1.5 साल लग गया सर ये नया अवतार इसका भी देखने का. एंड ऑल्सो फैंटास्टिक अवतार. यू नो वी बीन सीइंग, लाइक आई सेड, कि ट्रेलर तो अभी आएगा, बट द मोशन पोस्टर आल्सो वाज फैंटास्टिक. जिस तरह आंख के अंदर से जा रहा था, लिटिल बर्डी हैज टोल्ड मी अ लॉट ऑफ दैट आइडिया वाज आल्सो योर्स. कैसा था उसके बारे में सर?
यही था कि आजकल हमेशा जब कोई आइडिया आता है, जब कोई आइडिया हम सुनाते किसी को, तो ऐसा हो गया है कि सर ये नहीं हो सकता, स्टार्ट ही नहीं से करते हैं. एवरीथिंग इज़ पॉसिबल, ट्राई तो करो, कोशिश तो करो. फिर हमारे वेरी कॉम्पिटेंट टीम्स ने फिर वो उसको इम्प्लीमेंट किया और आपने वो डिजिटल पोस्टर देखा.
You know, it's been a long time, and it also actors के लिए क्या होता है कि you feel like doing something, you know, वो थोड़ा सा the nothingness of the time. I know it happens with, of course, everybody went through it, but especially for, you know, the stars of our industry. What were you all managing to do in that one? Was there a lot of script readings? Was there a lot of thinking back and forth? But how did that entire 1 year, or you know, say about a year and a half go since say Radhe and now? What was, how was the time being utilized?
So I was really lucky with that because Antim has started. So Mahesh had finished quite a bit of Antim. राधे का सिर्फ कुछ ही बाकी था और थोड़ा सा राधे को अपग्रेड भी करना था. तो जैसे ये लॉकडाउन पहला वाला बंद हुआ, हमने जाके वो कंप्लीट कर दिया. फिर महेश एज अ डायरेक्टर इज़ लाइक वेरी बैंग ऑन, ही नोज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट ही वांट्स. तो जितना शूट करना था उतना ही शूट करके हमारी ये पिक्चर बन गई. सो वी वर लकी that Mr. Manjarkar was on our side, and this is his kind of filmmaking genre, which he's taking it to the next level. So let's see. Now आप trailer वेलर देखोगे, आपको 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 पसंद ही आएगा ना. हाँ हाँ.
तभी बोल ही दिया है तो sir, please do take a seat and let me show the trailer to everybody right now.
I give you a hand to come down.
Salman sir, always pressure on you whenever you have other faces with you also. There's a matchup, you know, body matchup also. That also happens rarely. How much did you have to work on Ayush to make sure that the matchup worked?
He had I had an advantage of age and experience, and he did have an advantage of enthusiasm and 4 months. Yeah, I started one and a half week before the body shot. And I thought it was going to get postponed by 4 days, but he would not be able to handle those 4 days. So I had to shoot in those 4 days. I have 2 opposite brother-in-laws. One is the most patient one, that's Atul, the most impatient one. कब ट्रेलर रिलीज हो रहा है, कब डिजिटल पोस्टर रिलीज हो रहा है, कब स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं शूट, खत्म करो इसको.
But it's worked well,
कब
sir.
रिलीज कर रहे हैं.
Are you happy with the final product of Ayush?
Me? If you ask
Both
me,
of you, sir.
Me?
This is the final product. He said you kept inspiring and you were.
No,
it
we
was
were
work in
happy with
progress.
this product, but my sister got married to him.
But I
And
will
we are
want
happy with
to-
their products also. Very happy with Ahil and Ayat.
They've done a great job.
And so, Mahima, congratulations to the big stage. You're a semi-veteran film debut, yes, but so for the audiences, like we did this, when did you actually first appear in front of the camera?
Firstly, hi, good
Yeah.
evening. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for making our day even more special. Okay, so to answer your question, I started off acting when I was 10.
So this is an easy cakewalk for you then.
Not at all, not at all. First of all, I can't believe that I'm sharing the stage, the screens with the people around me, and it still feels unreal. And let me tell you, it's a dream come true. Never did I think that I will get this opportunity to work with Salman.
Chori nikal gayi.
Arey! Never did I think that I would get an opportunity to work with Salman sir, Mahesh sir, incredible people, and to work on a wonderful script. So it was definitely not a cakewalk for me. It was more about proving myself that sir ne agar Mahesh sir ne Salman sir ne bharosa kiya hai, so I should prove myself. And I am, like sir said, the character is extremely, it's a pataka. She was a firecracker. So for me to crack her and to pull her off was
Very
a-
simple,
Oh no.
as you can all see.
So it still feels unreal, and I can't tell you how happy, how emotional. It's a mixed emotion that I have inside me right now, but I feel incredible and happy, and yeah.
I'm so happy you really sound excited about that. That's the way it should be.
Yeah.
Wait till the 26th.
Yes.
You probably won't be able to sleep at night. Two gentlemen over there.
Right?
Yeah.
Huh? Gariban Ashish, right?
Your family is here, right?
Aye.
Sweet. Two gentlemen standing over there. के साथ जुड़ जाना. It always helps, मैं कितने composers को जानता हूँ, कितने musicians को जानता हूँ, जिनकी आवाज़ होती है, लेकिन like Ravi sir said, वो पहुँचने का जरिया नहीं होता है. And this platform, anytime you get involved with Salman sir, this platform just increases. It just becomes wider. तो इस experience में आप जरूर बताएं.
मेनली तो मेरे लिए मतलब यहाँ पे सर और महेश सर और सलमान सर इनके साथ खड़ा होना मतलब दिस वाज अ ड्रीम मतलब
तो बैठ
nobody
जाओ.
दिस वाज अ ड्रीम एंड मतलब इनके जो थॉट्स थे गानों के लेके एंड दे वर वेरी सॉर्टेड एंड आई यूज्ड टू गेट सजेशंस फ्रॉम सलमान सर आल्सो महेश सर आल्सो एंड देन टू इनकॉर्पोरेट देयर आइडियाज ऑन एंड वर्क ऑन द सॉन्ग्स इट वाज अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी एंड मतलब दिस इज अ ड्रीम फॉर मी आल्सो.
Lots of dreams getting fulfilled. And I will open out to, we haven't done this in a long time, so
तो
guys, आपके लिए.
रवि बसुर साहब से जब मेरी बात हुई तो मैंने उनको बोला कि इसका बैकग्राउंड को मेरे को ऐसा सर आप फिक्र मत करो थिएटर की कुर्सियां हिलेंगी. So I was waiting for the कुर्सी to हिलो. क्या हिल रही थी कुर्सी? You felt that? You guys felt that? हिलो तो कुर्सी. अब 2.5-3 साल हो गए थिएटर में कुछ चीज़ देखे हुए पिक्चर तो छोड़ो ये पहला ट्रेलर जो देख रहे हैं हम तो इफेक्ट थिएटर का पता चलता है that there is no other alternate to this big screen.
And we need films like yours to come out, sir. हम सबकी
Films like ours and
media
everyone
also-
else's, the whole industry, because and the fans to keep coming back into the theaters and be safe. That's the most important thing there is.
Absolutely. I'm going to open out now. You were scared to hit.
सर मैंने साइड में बोला था गाड़ी रेडी रखना गलती से हाथ इधर उधर हो गया तो मैं डायरेक्ट भाग के गाड़ी में बैठ जाऊंगा
हाँ तो जाओगे भी तो घर ही जाओगे.
बट तब तक थोड़ा शांति से हो जाएगा बट बहुत डर लग रहा था बिकॉज बहुत जैसे सडनली बताया था कि आके भाई को पंच करना है तो आई थिंक भाई इज़ वेरी काइंड तो रियल लाइफ में तो काफ़ी स्वीट होते हैं बट जब आप ऑन मूवी सेट में देखते हो दैट्स व्हेन यू रियलाइज कि आप सलमान खान के सामने खड़े हो और आपको उनको पंच मारना है सो आई थिंक दैट डे थोड़ा पैल्पिटेशन टाइप हो गया था मुझे.
And Salman from
ये जो भी इन्होंने स्पीच दिया है इसको संभाल के रखना. कुछ सालों के अंदर I told भाई not to do it but he didn't listen only. Yeah.
We're not very critical of him ever. I sometimes is that zone there that family है, so I might be a little more extra critical in a scene.
बिल्कुल ही सर बिल्कुल नहीं सर जब सर को गुस्सा आता है तो अच्छा खासा आता है पूरे सेट को पता होता है सर गुस्से में.
तुम्हारे पर आया है सर को ज्यादा
कौन से
गुस्सा?
सर ये सर या ये सर
मैं सर,
मैं सर.
मैं
मैं तो सलमान सर की बात कर रहा हूँ. सलमान सर आपके साथ क्रिटिकल नहीं होते हैं क्या? आपकी फैमिली हो तो do a little better job, do a better take? Is that pressure not there? Sir, actually, this is directed to you. Were you not more critical of him because he's has to show a little
So
more?
I keep my criticality within myself, because then it becomes a big critical problem for him at home.
You know,
Bhai is being modest. Bhai is very
I will say
critical about
something
it.
to him, he will go and tell Arpita that this is what Bhai said. And Arpita said, what have you? Then call Gumas around onto me. So, but he's a sensible boy. He knows his stuff. He has his brains in the right place and he uses them as well. पढ़ा लिखा छोकरा है and good at heart. अभी तक तो.
My last
Hello,
question
hello.
is to
Sabina, just finish. Sorry,
the
I
last
interrupt.
वो सबसे पहले तो खुद के लिए रूट कर रहा है because of the way she is, okay, and because there is a lot of happening on the forefront. We have Salman sir, we have Ayush, and you know you saw the trailer the way it is, but then you see this girl having her own thing, having her own voice, and for me she was absolutely liberating. Sorry, the nervousness is just around the stage. So
इसी
I
को ये
think
5 बार इसका गाना बनेगा.
so for me, she was absolutely strong, confident, and someone who has her own voice and who can stand by it. So that is something that absolutely inspired me about the character. And so she's Manda, and Manda is the only girl in the man's world, and that's how she is. So right now, she is, I think, rooting for herself.
क्या बात है?
But did you think that she would be able to play the character?
What do you think? I need to know. What do you
I
think?
am going waiting for the film. I'll tell you after that.
Done. I'm going to read what you write.
पक्का.
आयुष जैसे मतलब घर में मतलब दामाद जो है वो बहुत पैम्पर होके मतलब रहते हैं, ठीक है, और मतलब जो खासकर मतलब बड़े साले साहब होते हैं, ठीक है.
सर कभी घर तो आओ आप.
बिल्कुल. तो सलमान सर से आप मतलब कितने इंटिमिडेट मतलब रहते हैं, कितना लिहाज करते हैं, और कब मतलब किस मोमेंट पे उनके साथ फ्रेंडली मजाक भी करते हैं?
Sir, Salman Bhai is related to me, but more than anything, I consider him my own elder brother. He's a mentor to me. He has always guided me. जितना भी मुझे थोड़ी बहुत knowledge है films की, it's all thanks to him. हर बात पे एक respect रहती है because he's almost the elder brother who we always go back to. There's no denying the fact that Salman Bhai is a very integral part of our family, and at least in my life, he is a very big part of my family. So we always have to go back to him for even for small things. You want a mental approval because he has an experience that we don't
They
have.
come to me, I go to my father.
But I think the comfort level is always there to say what you have to say, but obviously with respect. I think there's no pride in disrespecting somebody who because of whom you are where you are.
Salman
One
sir,
sec, we
good
just
evening.
one.
I'm
Salman
glad.
sir, good
No,
evening.
no, I'm one sec, guys. I'm going to wrap up here.
45 degrees
One
to
sec,
your
one sec there. Right, this lady right in the front here. Yeah.
सबसे पहले बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया इतने खूबसूरत ट्रेलर के लिए. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, बहुत
बहुत
ज्यादा
बहुत
इंटरेस्टिंग है.
शुक्रिया इतनी खूबसूरत शक्ल और आवाज के लिए.
इंतजार कर रहे थे और ये ट्रेलर देखने मिला. 3 किरदार, तीनों के तीनों किरदार बहुत अच्छे एस्टेब्लिश हो रहे हैं. आयुष का किरदार गुंडा, गुंडे का बाप और एक पटाखा लड़की. तीनों किरदार बहुत अच्छे एस्टेब्लिश हो रहे हैं. लेकिन जो हमारा क्यूट वाला और इंटरेस्टिंग वाला सरदार है, उसके लिए हीरोइन क्यों नहीं फिल्म में? क्यों? एक बड़ी मुश्किल से मौका मिलता है, बड़ी मुश्किल से लोग वेट करती हैं सारी एक्ट्रेसेस. सलमान के अपोजिट, और वो मौका महेश जी, सलमान वो
थोड़ा
मौका.
सा हमने सोचा था. ये डिफिकल्ट वाला है, डिफिकल्ट वाला है. तो दिस कैरेक्टर इज अ मच बेटर कैरेक्टर ऑन हिज ओन. अगर इसके अंदर वो रोमांस भी आ जाता और फिर वो गाने भी आ जाते तो ये कैरेक्टर डाइल्यूट हो जाता. वी डिडंट वांट टू डाइल्यूट द कैरेक्टर. और
Salman sir,
हमने थोड़ा सा शूट भी किया था, बट देन वी टुक दैट आउट टू बी ट्रू टू द फिल्म. अब एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी उसको तो निभानी पड़ेगी. वो मैं कर लूँगा, आज नहीं तो कल. But this character is beautiful without a heroine.
Salman sir, good
अच्छा
evening.
बस एक
Arjun
आखिरी
Diagonally
सवाल.
over here.
हाँ हाँ, one sec. No, that's it. We'll end with
One last
gentleman there.
question.
Yes.
Salman sir, good evening. Diagonally 45 degrees to your left,
Top left, sir.
please.
Yeah.
Sir, rear. Good evening, sir. First of all, a huge round of applause to the entire team. The trailer is really dhasu, really paisa vasu. So huge
Dhasu?
round of applause. Yeah,
Dhasu.
dhasu. But sir, whenever Salman Khan film जब भी थिएटर में आने वाली है, so people का expectations is day trade का भी एक expectations है. You know that there is a benchmark Salman Khan film, that means इतनी opening लगने वाली है and all those things. Do you think so because of the phase
जितनी
that we
भी
have gone
ओपनिंग लगती थी उसका 50% कम कर दें.
Haji. So, sir, do you think so that now the trade and the industry as a whole, everybody has to temper the expectations?
Yes, but the industry will come back. ये जो एक सीट छोड़ के, that will also go away. Everyone has been, mostly everyone has been vaccinated now. अब ये नहीं कि वैक्सीनेशन के बाद आपको कोविड नहीं होगा, दोनों के बाद भी आपको होगा, लेकिन ऐसा होगा जैसे कि वायरल फ्लू है, you know. So it's best to get yourself vaccinated. Whoever is not gotten vaccinated, it's safe for those people.
All right, we'll wrap up, guys. And everyone here is double vaccinated. You can enter the theater. Thank you so much. I'll just take.
Thank you, thank you.
यार बाकी चलते रहेंगे ना. अरे.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank
little
you.
late, Baba. Photo करेंगे. One sec. Just stay on stage. I'll just take the mics out. Sir, I'll just take the mics out. Oh.
Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, we'll just take the photo up. And thank you to all the press for sticking to the film script questions. Thank you very much for doing that for us. Thank you. I really appreciate that. We all appreciate that. The whole team does. Yes, please.